Okay, so this one is a question. You are asked to find the system reliability. So the reliability block diagram is shown. So by solving this, we have to find the system reliability. Okay. So I'm drawing that reliability block diagram again. So here 0.91, then 0.95, then 0.92, then 0.94, then 0.95, then 0.93, then 0.92, then 0.97, so we have to find the reliability of the system. So here clearly you can see two parallel blocks. This is one parallel block and this one is second parallel block. So first we can solve or first we can find the equivalent reliability of or net reliability of this parallel block and then this parallel block. Okay, so first take the first one, the leftmost parallel blocks. So take this one. Okay, so here what we can do, we have parallel four elements in parallel, so better find the probability of failure of each component. So the probability of failure of this component is 0.09, probability of failure of this one is 0.05, probability of failure of this one is 0.08, probability of failure of this one is 0.06. Say this is block 1. So what about probability of failure of block 1? That is equal to the product of failure of each component, because all these components are in parallel. So take the product. So we have 0.09 into 0.05 into 0.08 into 0.06. So that is equal to 0.09 into 0.05 into 0.08 into 0.06. Okay, so this is equal to 0.0000216. This is equal to 0.0000216. Okay. So this is probability of failure of block 1. So what about the probability of survival of block 1? That is equal to so probability of survival of block 1 PB1 is equal to 1 minus probability of failure of block 1, so that is 0.9999784. 0.9999784. So here in reliability we can't, so normally we will round the value to the nearest one. If you are using 4 significant digits, according to that we will round. But the problem is, if you are rounding this one and if you are using 4 significant digits and if you are rounding this value, this is equal to 1. Means the 100% survival. Okay, so that one is not possible. That is not achievable. That one is a wrong answer. So we can represent or we can equate this one to 1. So we can use 5 significant digits, or we can leave as such. Okay, so we can use the original value. Now take the next pattern block. This one is a pattern block, so we can label it as block 2. Now here, as it is a pattern block, we can take the failure. So this failure is 0.07. The probability of failure of this one is 0.08. The probability of this one is 0.03. So what we can do? We can find the probability of failure of block 2. So that is equal to 0.07 into 0.08 into 0.03 equal to 0.07 into 0.08 into 0.03. So that is equal to 0.000168. So what about the probability of survival of block 2? That is equal to 1 minus probability of failure of block 2. So that is 1 minus 0.000168 equal to 0.999832. So please don't round it, because I told you we can't round this value, so better leave the second one also. Okay, so this one is second pattern block. So now what we can do, we can redraw we can draw this reliability block diagram. So the first pattern block is now 0.999784. that is this particular one. So this is first block. Okay, this is actually B1. Now we have this 0.95. Now we have B2, that is 0.999832. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to find the reliability of this series block. Now we have a series configuration. So we have 0.9999784 into 0.95 into 0.999832. So the probability of survival of the system, that is P of S, is equal to the product of these three, that is 0.999784 into 0.95 into 0.999832. So that is equal to 0.949888344736. Probability of survival is equal to this value. I am writing it again, 0.94981988344736. I am not rounding this one. This one is original value. Okay, especially if you are if you are trying to improve the reliability using reliability redundancy methods, you can't round the value. You have to use the original value. Otherwise, it will affect the redundancy, the performance of redundancy. Okay, for solution of redundancy, it will affect. So don't round the solution or answer. So this was the reliability of the given reliability block diagram.